morning, security system users. Brandon with Custom Alarm here. Today we are going to take some time to learn about the Vista security panel when you have a Tuxedo Touch keypad. As you will see, there is a silver and a white, however the functions are the same. Let's go ahead and jump into this. When looking at our keypad, you will see a few icons. I'm going to go ahead and take a brief moment to go through these. Our first icon is the security icon. This looks like a home with a lock symbol. This is a screen where you're going to spend the majority of your time. Again, from here you're going to see all the different methods to arm your system and disarm. Let's go back to the home screen. Another icon that you see is a light switch. If you have any automated Z-Wave devices hooked up to your alarm system, they will be displayed here. The last option is multimedia. If you have any Total Connect camera systems connected to your alarm, they will be showed here underneath the video. As you will see, we do not have any currently hooked up to ours. Also, the message screen. This is where you can leave an audible message for, say, your wife, your children, or anyone else like that. The last one is your picture. This is where you can technically go ahead and load up a image of any of your choosing to go ahead and display as the home screen on your security system. Let's go ahead and jump into the security system. There are a few different ways that you can arm your system. There is the arm to stay, arm to night, and arm to away methods. Also, there's quick arm, which is a way to arm your system without the use of a code. The quick arm method must be set up in programming by one of Custom Alarm's technicians. The first method we are going to show is arm to stay. This method is typically used when arming your system during the day or evening when you are moving around freely throughout your home. When using this arming task, all perimeter doors will be armed, but if you have any motion sensors, they will not be in arm mode. To enable this, we're going to go ahead and enter the stay, and then enter our user code. As you will see, code is accepted. It is giving us a countdown at the top, allowing us to know when the system is going to be armed. To disarm it, we're going to go ahead and select the green disarm icon with our code. System is now disarmed. The next method we would demonstrate is the arm to night, or nighttime arming as it's sometimes called. You would typically want to use this type of arming method before going to bed. With this function, your motion sensors will not be armed so that you can still move around the home freely. However, all of your perimeter doors will be set to arm with no delay. What this means is that all the doors that are part of the system will go into alarm if opened. This will also include doors that may be set up as perimeter entry/exit doors. To set up this arming system, we're going to go ahead and press the night icon and then our code. As you will see, it's telling us that the perimeter zones only are armed, no entry/exit delay, and it's giving us our countdown. To disarm the system, we're going to go ahead and click on the icon, put in our 4-digit code. System is now disarmed. The last function is arming to away. Again, selecting the arm away, our 4-digit code. It's going to go ahead and give you a countdown, letting you know when the system is going to be armed. You'll see up here in the top left-hand corner, when you arm to away, all zones, both interior and exterior, are going to be alarmed, and there will be entry delay on those associated doors. We're going to go ahead and disarm that. System has been disarmed. Thank you for taking some time to learn about arming and disarming your Tuxedo Touch keypad.